My name is Ashley. Today I'm going to pick up my apples, which you know that I pruned them and they gave me a lot of apple and they were big. Those are the little small ones left. What I want to do is I want to pick them up, and already December I'm going to make them a vinegar. Very easy way that you can do it at home. You can enjoy it. This is my beautiful basket. I picked up already some. It's like you see here, which we should have tinned before, but those are the small ones. The big ones are gone. They are such a delicious apples. They are Fuji apple. I'm gonna pick them. We're gonna go inside and make a video. I'm gonna pick up the rest and we'll start. Follow me. All right, now we are in the kitchen. I wanna show you that the apples, I brought them in. You have to wash them first. And then what you have to do, like I said, we're gonna make a vinegar. Those are the Fuji tree from the apple tree. We have to clean up the middle part and the stem. We're gonna take them, but we will leave them with the peels, with the skin. All right, and then you have to cut them like thin. Now, what you can do is you can even grind them, or you cut them kind of thin pieces like this, which I already did. So what we're gonna do now, all right, let's cut like this. This is, of course, the apple grows even much better in cold places. It grows in hot places too, but cold places, they grow very faster and nicer. Now that you see over here, I peel them, I slice them. So what do I have to do? I'll take my jar. This is my honey jar. You know that I recycle almost everything for the environment. Now you make sure that your jar is clean, sanitized. So this apple that it's sliced, what we have to do, we will put into the jar. In the jar. This making vinegar, it's really easy, simple. Let me shake them. There you go. Just like this. You don't have to press it so hard. Leave a space, because what we have to do, we have to put clean water. If not, just boil your water. This is bigger spoon, but doesn't matter. 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. This is almost like 1.5, and this is 1.5. It's like about 3 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons. It's fine. You'll put the sugar. You'll put your clean water. And in case if you want to put, like I said, from faucet, make sure that, I think if you boil it, it's nice. Let it cool. Even if you put a little bit like warm, it's okay. It won't hurt. You make sure that you cover the apples. And we will cover it. And now this will stay about a month, like 28 to 30 days. And then I'm going to show you how it will be delicious vinegar. And then I'll save, which I have my vinegar bottle over here. After I do it, I always fill it in them, or you can keep it like this. I have to say, homemade vinegar, it's very delicious, very simple, very easy, doesn't need too much work, and it's the tastiest. You can call this organic, because my trees are really organic. I don't put chemical, because we would like to eat organic as much as we can. So this is what I do with my leftover apples. Still, they are good and delicious and nice, but those are the small ones. So if they eat, the kids, the husband, they eat. If no, this is what I do with my apples. Well, I'm going to come back in a month and I'm going to show you. All right, now that you will see over here, the apples I prepared, it took exactly 5 weeks. Usually when you do summertime, it goes faster while it's heat. It's a little cooler, so it took a little time. Otherwise, it takes exactly 1 month. So what we have to do is, we're gonna, when I filled it, you saw it, how full it was. When you fill it, the apple, make sure that to the elbow, because when it's fresh new, it will come up from the liquid. And I'm sure I told you that twice a week or 3 times a week, anytime you pass by, try to mix it with wooden spoon. Now this turned to a vinegar, very tasty and delicious. So what I'm going to do now, first I'm going to strain this. Now, first I'm going to strain the apple, the juice. I'm gonna say it smells very, very delicious. You won't believe how good. It's not just regular apple. It does smell special while it's from your trees. Fresh apple, organic. I'm gonna strain it like this. And I'm just gonna do this to show you now. The rest I will do it later on. All right, let's put them here back again. So here you will see, we're gonna put in a strainer, look at this delicious apple cider vinegar. And later we need a cheesecloth, good kind of a cheesecloth that all the particles, we don't want them to go. We need all the good liquids. And I'm going to put this cheesecloth, the link is in description in case if you want to buy it. It's very, very good material cheesecloth it is. Now we're going to strain it. Just like this. Okay. And we're gonna hold this up and we're gonna let this drain down to be all the clear liquid to go down. You see how tight is the material that it takes time to get down. So it means it's pretty good material it is. It's not regular cheesecloth that it goes, when you sift it, it goes through a lot of pieces from it. All right, well, for now, I'm gonna leave like this. Later on, I'm gonna tie it and hang it so it will drip and it will come all the liquid. So for now, let's put it back here because I just wanna show you. And then what you do, I usually recycle my vinegar's bottle and I use it over and over. And I recycle it for the environment, of course. We will have to recycle to keep the earth clean. And then I usually have to put this thing, I don't know what do they call, and you fill it much easier. And one more thing too I want to say, when you drink this, when you use this apple cider vinegar that we call, every morning you can drink a cup of water with 1 teaspoon of this vinegar. And I want to tell you that it's very, very healthy. It really flushes you down. It cleans your system. And it's very delicious. I want to show you this, that like you can take a cup of water and you can put a tablespoon vinegar in it and you drink it early in the morning before anything else. And I want to taste it to show you. It's very delicious. You should try this. So try this system. If you have apple in your garden, which is all organic, it will give very, very good taste. You can taste the difference between ready vinegar and the one that you made it. So I hope you'll try it. It's very good for you. It's healthy, and I hope you'll enjoy it and we don't let anything to go for a waste. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you'll go check my other videos. I have so many variety videos. It might interest you. And I thank you very much for watching, and I thank you all my supporters. I appreciate it again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.